filmy side, there are very less companies are holding licenses like BBC or Channel 4 or Sky, Virgin Media. These are the four channel big companies doing journalism and also same time doing these film industries. These four companies are holding license, and also you can work in production or directors. If you go to if you go into this shortage occupation list here in the UK, directors and producers are on demanding or shortage occupation list, so in that way you can get a job. Naveen, University of East Anglia is a good university, bro. Tell us about MSc cardiology in UK, and it's Monica Madasame. Guys, if you're doing any specialization here in the UK, guys, I already done a last video about University of Birmingham. It's one of the small university, but coming to this medicine is really good. UK is the best for doing specialization if you want to do. So I only suggest you go for the university who are charging you less fee. UK has got like best hospitals and best people who are in medicine field. So please go and check complete university guide, which university is giving you less fee. And under complete university guide, if you put clearing, if you check clearing and go and check programs there, it will show you what are the universities are still vacant, showing you the courses. So go and check in that university guide, so that you will know what to do. Charles Vinod, can I come as a student and bring my wife, who has 10 years of software testing experience, and pay my fees? Obviously, the best thing to do, PHW is the best people who are going to get beneficial by this UK is couples. People who are coming with their wife or husband, they are the most good. They are mostly beneficial for them, because by bringing their husband or wife, one can do a full-time job and support your husband or wife. And also, by the time your wife or husband finish their student visa, if you can offer them to get a tea to by doing your wife, by bringing your husband or wife into it, one can do a full-time job and support your husband or wife. I see. And also, by the time Rockstar Prashant, tell me about Northumbria University is good for automotive engineering. Northumbria University is one of the average university, guys. And coming to automotive industry engineering, I just said before, UK is a hub for lot of automotive industries, and also not just that. If you can even have good opportunities in Airbus or Boeing, all other big companies, guys. You have a lot of automotive like Rolls Royce, Jaguar Land Rover. All these are companies holding tier 2 sponsorship, so we have a good option. So yeah. Construction management, I already made a video. Center work show Murida Pradeshni, I will definitely Chandu Bomma guaranteed bro T to sponsorship customer. I just said most of the people I seen so far, around 50 to 60 students, they failed in the first stage of interviews in their Tier 2 sponsorship, because the problem is most of the people don't have a good profile, and coming to number 2, most of the people are failed in psychometric test. Psychometric tests are nothing but, for suppose if you are applying through accounting and finance industries, they will do numerical test, and they do verbal reasoning test, and they will do a lot of numerical and also online tests. These are called psychometric tests. So most of the companies I mentioned in my Tier 2 series, list of Tier 2 sponsorship list, if you see all those companies, top companies, they do this psychometric test, at the same time they do time frame. Most of the people, they pass, and majority of companies, let's say the psychometric test consists of 40 questions or 30 questions. You must need to at least get 80% right, 80% is right questions, and at the same time they will put a time frame. They will set a time frame, let's say 30 minutes, and they will put this verbal reasoning numerical test. So you need to get the pass. Most of the people, they fail that test. I want to tell you one thing, people who are already here in the UK looking for jobs, please go and check online. Go and do some online tests, just put psychometric tests online and just go and practice that lessons, their classes, so that when you go for actual interview, when you sit for actual interview, you're going to be very easy and it will give you some good experience. So please go and check some psychometric tests online, guys. And people who are coming from back home, please don't wait at the last minute. Please, you can approach me, I will do sessions as well, but because it's kind of it requires a lot of money. I don't want you to waste a lot of money. Please start looking for internship from the very beginning. Most of the people are coming for 1+1 sandwich courses, which means 1 year course, 1 year of internship. Please don't waste your time chilling out here in the UK. Please at least apply one job or one internship a week. If you at least do that way, within 6 months you will be applying a lot of. Let's say you apply 4 jobs in a month, so 6 months, 6 4 24, 25 to 20, 50 jobs you can apply, guys. Please don't waste your time at the moment. Please apply, try to apply for internships. Internships are very important to get Tier 2 sponsorships. Career opportunities in MBA, healthcare management in UK. Karthik Kumar, I just said NHS. People who are coming for healthcare management or public health or health and social care, these are the courses. Please go and check NHS. Just go to nhs.com, nhs.co.uk. There are hundreds, thousands of jobs there which will suit for you. And in the description, it is clearly mentioned Tier 2 sponsorship. We employ Tier 2 sponsorship. If it is mentioned in the Tier 2 in your description, go and apply that universities. Sorry, apply those companies. And also, NHS is the best place where you get a lot of healthcare background jobs. Like here, for every hospital you can work in the administration side. Coming to administration side, the starting salary going to be 17k per year. So the good thing, coming to shortage of specialist, if you work in any healthcare sector, if you get a sponsorship license from NHS, you will be exempted. You will be exempted, and you can start with 17k with a minimum salary, and you can pass point-based system in that way. So please go and check NHS website if you are looking for public healthcare side. Tayyaba Begum, what about PSW for students who won't get internship? Internship, it does. I think my live stream is saying it's going to shut down for some reason. I don't know. I still got 10 minutes. Upayan Chatterjee, any scope for astronomy. Someone trying to take the mick out of me. The saying, it's not astronomy, guys. If he's take that way, I'll take it as a funny way. I don't really mind about that. So. G. Josh, BCom graduate with 14 years of work in finance, marketing and consulting, do an MBA with dual degree. Obviously, guys, if you have this kind of experience, you can work as a business analyst. If you have good knowledge about market side, you can work in the business analyst as well. This guy still makes me laugh about astronomy. Is it possible to do internship at this time? Naveen, internships are just like a job, guys. These are paid internships. So it's not just because as soon as you come here you get an internship and go and work for it. I know some people who even doing like around 30 hours a week paid internship during this pandemic time. So it's all about once you do because at the moment it's online classes, so you can even balance your internship and also your coursework at the moment. So the first thing is to get into internship is really a challenge, guys. So make sure you work hard for it. I already made a video on internships. Please go and check that, guys. Is Worcester, I think it's Worcester. So yeah, it's Worcester University is a good one, bro. Portsmouth University, all these coastal universities, Portsmouth, Bournemouth, Plymouth, Brighton. So these are the coastal areas, the coastal universities, affordable universities, and also really good. So you can go ahead with that. Yeah, Oriental Java. If you have like SaaS program, if you have like good in or any kind of, if you have good skills that really boost up your application. All software jobs are really, IT jobs are really good. So make sure you do that. You can even work as a technical side by having an experience in computer sciences. Guru Prakash ji, I take education loan. I am still considered a self-funded student. No, it's not self-funded. Obviously, your education loan is funding you, right? 2 plus 2. Ajay, are they gonna call to if you're doing an internship in this second year? Curtail your visa. In most of the universities, like most of the people are coming for this like placement basis, but universities have the right to curtail your visa if you didn't able to make an internship yourself. So, but one thing I want to tell you, suppose if you didn't get your visa, if you didn't get your internship, but if your BRP card saying you have a visa until one more year, university don't have right, but universities only try to say that if you don't get internship, they have the right to curtail your visa. But it's all about, at the moment, because of corona crisis, there is really a liberty, and also coming to under discretion, most of the universities are letting students to stay. But you will, I say my live stream is going to shut down in a minute for some reason, I don't know. I didn't even put a time limit for this. So I'm going to end up in 5 more minutes, guys, this live stream. People who didn't get answers in this live session, please come to Instagram. Just put Manoj Birali on my Instagram. Please follow me and also ask me a question. Then only I will able to answer you guys. London South Bank University, yes, I knew a couple of people who are doing London South Bank. There's no issues in it. It's really good. Adelaide BA done. Which university in UK accept IELTS overall 6.2 with 5 in one of the sittings? Guys, coming to IELTS, there is no limit like, oh, you have to do these many in sittings. No. Most of the universities like Bedfordshire, Hertfordshire, Liverpool, and also Coventry, University of East London, Newcastle, Nottingham, and Heriot Ward, Stirling. So some of these universities are accepting students if you have like 60 to 70% of in your 12th grade. So at the moment, I think after this September intake, most of the universities is going to favor your IELTS because they are really desperate of international students. So I hope you can. The one thing I want to tell you guys, if you're asking about PHW and other things to me, right? Why don't you communicate straight with your university international teams? Most of the students, they don't interact with universities, and they come to me and ask me. some of the basic questions you get easily answers on Google, and also you'll get answers from your international team. Try to approach your international teams so they will get back to you. And people who are already here in the UK, universities have the right to look after you now. So please, if you're struggling financially, if you're struggling with food or something, government has released financial aid for all international students. Please ask your international teams to help you so that they will look after your health and well-being. Guys, it's really hot here. I don't know what's the temperature today. Today's temperature 31. Can you imagine that? In UK, it's 31 temperature. I think most of the beaches are filled up with people now. So you can imagine how hot it is now. It's 31. Sanket Dabade, I tried Instagram, didn't get reply. Sorry, bro. Most of the Instagram messages I'm trying to give a reply within 48 hours, guys. I want to tell you, please send all your questions. What happening in Instagram was, most of the students are, it's like a chatting. It's like I got around 60 questions now I have to answer. So if you can send me all your questions in one go, I can send a voicemail straight away answering all your questions. What happens was, I answer one question and it is never ending. Let me go to the last question. Sanket Singh, is a master's in business analytics for a student having computer engineering as a UG goal? Guys, yes, most of the people from engineering and people from other backgrounds also doing like this MBA. Obviously, I'm not saying wrong, as long as you have a good strength in your CV or resume. As long as you have good skills, you can work anywhere in top companies. But here is the problem. When you sit down for an interview, your bachelor's and your master's won't really correlate, and that's going to give a problem, because I faced that problem when I've been to my tier 2 sponsorship interviews. I'm going to make that into a video, what are the questions I've been asked, and how is the tier 2 sponsorship interview going to be. So yeah, digital marketing, I already said, it's one of the top demanding jobs, guys. So I got 3 more minutes to end this live session. I really apologize if I'm not able to answer you, but please come on Instagram and ask me questions. All your questions will be clarified quickly. Digital marketing, I said, is really good. University of Essex, good university is good. I said, people who are asking universities, please go and check Complete University Guide. Essex is one of the good universities. It's nothing wrong to say about it. I'm going quickly one by one if I have any important questions. What about PHW if university informed the UK office if you didn't get internship by 2022? PHW only gets, I want to clarify one thing here. You know, if you're saying 1+1, if your university is telling you with placement, so if you finish your internship successfully, then only you will be given final award, final pass certificate. So if you successfully finish your degree, then only you will be eligible for PHW, which is a new graduation immigration rule. So I want to tell you that you need to finish your course first to be eligible for PHW. Not everyone get PHW. You need to finish your degree 100%. Anglia Ruskin Chelmsford campus, it's headquarters, guys. Chelmsford is a bit inexpensive compared to Anglia Ruskin Cambridge campus. So yeah, it is cost of living is cheaper in Chelmsford compared to Cambridge Anglia Ruskin campus. University of Birmingham Birmingham is good for civil engineering. University of Birmingham is one of the good universities, guys. One of the top 15 universities. Arjun Saini, how difficult to find sponsorship company of mechanical engineering? This is why I already made a video on mechanical engineering and what are the top companies to apply to get a sponsorship. Please go and check that. Guys, people who come back to me, I have made a lot of informative videos. If you watch most of them, you don't come back to me and answer me the same question. So please go and check my question, guys. Bro, you are from Andhra, Chandu Bongagari. Yes, నేను తెలుగు మీకు ఎవరికైనా తెలియకపోతే నేను విజయవాడ నుంచి రీసెంట్లీ మా డాడ్ వాళ్ళు తెలంగాణ సెపరేట్ అయ్యాక హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళారు. ఎస్, నేను తెలుగు నేను తెలుగు మాట్లాడతాను. చందు బొమ్మలు అంటే రైట్. So guys, I think we finished our session today. It's really hot here. Sorry I couldn't answer a lot of questions. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. I want to take an extra minute. I want to explain one thing. People who are coming for the September intake, if everything is prepared, you and me or all other students are waiting for borders to open. No one has right to tell when the border is going to open. I'm assuming it's going to be because end of July. If end of July everything going to be okay, then we need to get official declaration from Secretary and also from Indian government as well. Even people are from Bangladesh, Africa. So we are looking for borders to open, then only we can do. But one fact I want to tell you, if the borders are not opening, all the universities are going to do online classes. But because of low rate of corona cases here in the UK, most of the schools are going to open by end of July and first week of September. If that happens, if you are going for September intake, you can still come by October itself. Every university is giving you extra 1 month time for the students to fly here in the UK. Once you fly here, once you register here, class is going to be online and also on campus mixed together. But if you have time to defer, if you have no stress from your family, you can go to January intake. That's the main thing I want to tell you. సో నేను విజయవాడ అల్టిమేట్ గేమర్. ఎస్, మీరు ఎవరైనా తెలుగు మాట్లాడేవాళ్ళు ఉంటే నాకు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో తెలుగులో మీరు నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు, నేను తెలుగులోనే మీకు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ గైస్. VFS సెంటర్, we still need to wait border controls, we still need to wait flights are not flying and VFS centers are not open yet. So there are a lot of uncertainty, a lot of confusion. So I know how much struggle you're going through at the moment from families, and especially people who are worrying about relatives. People who are messaging me a lot of questions, they're saying, if I don't fly, my relative is going to say something about me. Don't worry about your friends and other things, guys. Just think about yourself. And don't worry about your future, because it takes around 2-3 years to build up everything here. By the time you finish your education here in the UK, you will be okay. By the time you finish your education, you have good chances to get jobs back in the UK. People who are coming to the UK, or shall I go to Australia, can I go to Canada, can I go to New Zealand? Guys, UK is the best place. UK has got good chances for jobs as long as you finish your degree successfully. If you have good skills and talent, there are a number of students I've seen who got tier 2 sponsorship, and people who gone through me from one-to-one counseling. I'm going to bring those people here. I'm going to do interviews with them, how they got their job, how they did interviews, how they passed psychometric test. I'm going to do, after this university's Q&A session series, I'm going to start tier 2 series, which is going to be on one-to-one interviews, so that you can see the reality how to get a job here in the UK without paying a lot of money to consultancies. I hope this session helped you guys. There is no 4 years PSW, there is only 2 years PSW at the moment, and that 2 PSW is going to be, no one knows what is the new application and how much does it cost. So until then guys, if there is any updates, I will keep in contact with me. People who are still got doubts, please come on Instagram and ask me questions there, and I will please put all your questions in one go. Please follow me and send me questions. I think my live stream is buffering for some reason, so yes, there's no strength in the Wi-Fi. I think there's a poor network today. So guys, please ask me questions on Instagram. I am happy to answer all your questions, so please come on Instagram. I will answer your questions, and I will see you in my next video guys. And please make sure you watch my next video. I'm going to bring the director of undergraduation and also a member of advisory member for UK university committees. So if you want me to ask him any questions tomorrow, please go and comment me under this, not in the live chat, under this video. I will ask all those questions. Until then, I will see you in my next video guys, and keep safe. Until then, good luck. did you make 5 houses? Like, I really want to know if you can share the secret. Right. When you are struggling like that, like, did you ever feel like going back home or why am I here? Like, obviously people go ups and downs. So, how did you motivate yourself? Like, what is the very worst situation you've been through here?
We were a poor family and they sold everything because of they want to send me to UK, have a better life. And second thing is, like I said, my confidence has been destroyed by my relatives. उन्होंने बोला ये लड़का अब चल नहीं पाता, कपड़े अच्छे से पहन नहीं पाता, बोल नहीं पाता और ये लड़का 4 मंथ में इंडिया पक्का वापस आएगा. उन्होंने शर्तें भी लगा ली थी मेरे रिलेटिव्स ने. मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस खूब तोड़ा उन लोगों ने, लेकिन मेरे में ये था कि मुझे कुछ बन के दिखाना है. अपने माँ बाप, देखिए उस टाइम आप यंग होते, अपने माँ बाप का बहुत सोचते हो. टू मेक माई पेरेंट्स हैप्पी आई डिड ऑल द हार्ड वर्क. नाउ पीपल हु वाज लाफिंग एट मी दैट टाइम, they are asking me where you
they became friends, right?
they become friends, Manoj, and they are asking me आपने ये कपड़े किस डिजाइनर से लिए हैं? अरे वही गैरी है, वही जिसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, he can't walk, he can't talk. आज वही लोग पूछते हैं, मनोज जी आपने कपड़े किस डिजाइनर से लिए हैं? ये उनका, देखिए वही गैरी है. ना तो मैं चेंज तब हुआ था ना अब हुआ, लेकिन मैं यही कहता हूँ कि आप अपने लिए खुद ब्रांड बनिए, खुद ब्रांड अपने आप को बनाइए. और आप अगर अपने आप को प्यार करेंगे ना, कॉन्फिडेंस, आप डेफिनेटली अचीव करेंगे सब कुछ इन योर लाइफ.
I see in your video that one. I like that. Which one you showing your house? And by the time only, in that video I came to know that you're saying you got 5 houses. I was like, wow, he's a millionaire. And how did you make 5 houses? Like, I really want to know if you can share the secret.
I will definitely, Manoj, because before I will say I can make a 10 houses, I can make a 15 houses because I have to pay only 10% deposit in this country. Rest 90% government pays it. But I did not buy more than 5 because the last house I bought was 2017. I stopped it because I want to go back to India. If I buy more houses, tenant has some issues, then I get a panic because sometimes tenant asks you to change boiler and it destroy my holidays. I thought okay 5 is enough because जो आदमी है उसकी भूख कभी नहीं खत्म होती, वो उसको और चाहिए पैसा. तो मैंने 5 घर बनाए. मैंने स्टार्ट किया स्क्रैच से. 2011 I bought my first house and I got only 10,000 pound that time. And I told to my friend, I said I told to my friend I'm going to rent another room. It was only 2 bedroom semi-detached house in Birmingham, which was around 108k that time. Now it's only 130 anyway. It's not expensive house, 130k. And I bought my first house and I liked that house because my friend was paying me rent. And I thought, okay, I can earn some money from. And then my friend said, why you can't buy another one? And I bought, because I was contractor, I earned good money. And I bought another house 2012. And I bought another house 2013, another house 2014, and last was about 2017. So I bought 5 houses with my hard work, I must say, because I moved cities 1 to 1. Now I live in Bristol. I have to go to Birmingham back because I lost my job in Rolls-Royce. So money comes in your way when you do hard work. But yes, I save money from my self-employment, pay the deposit for 10% and make house. And luckily I got 3 houses mortgage free. So it means if I go to India now, I can earn 2,000 pounds easily as an income. Of course, I have to pay some maintenance to my estate agents. Around 1,600 pounds I can earn very easily, and I can go to India. I can enjoy my holidays there, which is nearly 1.5 lakh I can earn per monthly. So I suggest every student who wants to do a little business here, property is the best place you can invest it in because it does not require you too much time. Don't be wrong, sometimes like one of my property requires me to go Birmingham on Tuesday, painting, carpet putting, it does come in your way problems. Don't be wrong, but only once in a year. For 11 months, you sit back and money will come in your bank. But 1 month, your blood will boil because you got a call from tenant and you have to react within 24 hours. So I suggest every guys who comes here, please buy a property. It's a good business and then you can retire very easily and you can see the world like I did. I saw 55 countries, Manojji, and I've been to 6 wonders out of 7. And don't ask me which wonder I have not been because I can't pronounce that name.
People who are coming for this September intake, a lot of people are asking, what about January intake? How the situation going to be? What do you suggest to students coming for this January intake?
I must say January intake is much better than September intake, and I made a video on September intake and January intake advantage, pros and cons, and that video was very viral because that has been suggested by my viewers in my channel. So if your guys want to watch that video, they can more than welcome to go Garry TV, Garry Garry TV they type, and they can go and watch it. But I can tell you briefly in a short, January intake, if you come here, is you graduate in January 2022. It means recession will go nearly 90% finished because in my calculation recession will finish March 2022. But that time you can apply, that time you can look for tier 2 sponsor, you can look for your placement, which is fine. But if you come in September intake 2020, you finish your course September 2021, that time recession will be halfway through and you will struggle to find a job in UK, and you have to go back to India if you can't find a tier 2 sponsor. Even in a PSW, you get a 2-year PSW, but that PSW is not worth it when you have no job. You have to work as a labor job. So I suggest guys, come in January intake if you can.
As a student, how much money do you think, I mean, you made, and did you able to manage to pay your tuition fee with that, or education loan, whatever you said?
I have paid my 10 lakhs within 9-10 months because I was lucky enough because my university was closed that time. But I must say, student, if you come for PSW, students can earn very easily £800 if there is no coronavirus with a 20-hour job. But if you come with a spouse, you can earn £2,000 very easily. Your spouse can work full-time, husband or wife, whatever you call. So it means somehow you can earn both together is nearly £3,000, even you're not doing any overtime or any extra hours. But if you are talking about PSW, if somebody is single or he comes as solo here, and he can earn as a labor job, in my opinion, as a PSW, £2,500 very easily, because there is no time limit, there is no hour limit in PSW, and he can pay loan very easily in a PSW time. I must say he needs to earn some money during his study because he has to pay rent and expenses. Regarding his loan, he can hold it a little bit back, but I'm sure in a PSW, any student in my calculation, they can earn around 20 lakhs till 25 lakhs per year easily. If you are 2 years, you can have 40 lakhs easily after taking expensive out.
You said, like in one of the video, one of the YouTuber here charging lots of money to students. Like, I mean, is that really true? Making money out of innocent students?
I'm not going to mention who was that person, but yes, they are charging money. They are charging 50,000 rupees to give just 1 hour consultancy, and that YouTuber is from India. I must say, I can't understand that YouTuber never reply message to his YouTube comments, and he asked them to come on Instagram. Once they go on Instagram, he asked them to pay very quietly 50,000 rupees.
I want to ask a lot of questions, but it's going to be too long. But what do you want to finally? What do you want to give a message, like a final message to students?
I will give message to students on the last, but I'm going to ask you one question which comes in my mind, and I'm going to ask you, what make you as a YouTuber to approach me, even I'm your competitor? Let's imagine I know I don't have a subscriber like you, but what make you as a competitor, you asked me to come on this show?
I was recommended. I was looking for videos, and I got recommended this video, house tour video, which was like absolutely, the thumbnail itself looks really attractive. As soon as I opened it, it was like a drone shots in it, which made me like to watch the whole video. You're coming straight to the point, and the videos are very short, and they're giving absolutely updates. I thought like, wow, who is this guy? And I was recommended by one of the student. He sent me a link saying that, sir, I saw you in Gary's channel. I was like, wow, let me go and check that. And I saw what I sent the message to you, appreciation message. At the end, you said again, like, you took an extra minute and you talk about me. That I was really impressed, and I felt really much appreciated, like, because YouTubers nowadays, they usually ignore or something. And you talked about good kind words about me. That made me like, yeah, this guy, it's not like other fake people, and he's putting the effort, and that effort I can see, like, from 7,000 to 8,000 subscribers in a very short time. It's not an easy job, bro. I have to appreciate that. Like, whatever the effort you're putting, some days you put 2 videos, one day, every day you're making 1 video. Is not an easy job to sit down and edit and give that to students without expecting a penny, and replying to all emails, comments, and Instagram. Wow, I have to really appreciate you. So that made me to call you on this podcast. I thought like to show them a success story, so that it's kind of inspiring to including me. So finally, thank you so much, Gary G, for coming. So pleased to have you on this podcast. Thank you so much, Gary G, for spending your time for me, for our channel.
It's my pleasure, Manoj ji, and I just want to say to your viewers and yourself, आप जहाँ रहें, खुश रहें और आबाद रहें, और आपके अगले वीडियो की वेट करें. तब के लिए अलविदा दोस्तों.
So that's all for today's podcast, guys. I hope this helped you, because you saw someone's success story, how they made from scratch to the millionaire now. It doesn't mean like everyone going to millionaire, but if you put your hard work, if you put your effort, anyone can gonna make their success story in this country, guys. So that's all for today, guys, and if you got any doubts, please do comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to go and show your love and support to Gary G channel. So go and check, all the links are in the description. So until then, guys, if you like this podcast, let me know how you felt, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, good luck.
what make you as a YouTuber to approach me even I'm your competitor? Let's imagine I know I don't have a subscriber